Guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock talents in 99 Nights in the Forest. And let's get straight into the video. So if you want to unlock a talent for your class, let's just say you have to make your way over to the class shop first. Once you're in the class shop, what you have to do is go over to the class that you have equipped, and you simply want to purchase a talent. So let's just say I go ahead and purchase this talent right here. Now I got a talent from the fisherman class, and basically now I have this perk as well, fish hook to your fishing rod faster, etc. Now I could re-roll this, and there is a possibility I could get a talent from, let's just say, the pyromaniac class, or the cyborg, or the assassin, etc. But of course, it would be harder to get talent from the higher star classes. But again, it is a possibility, so you will need to re-roll it. And yeah, that is basically it. It's very simple. You can go ahead and simply it'll automatically equip, and then you guys should be good to go. See now this is where the actual odds are. You have 1 star is 58, 2 stars is 26, etc. and then whatever. 5 star obviously being the hardest is only 0.29%. But anyways, now you will see have the fisherman class. It will say right here, perk from fisherman, and then you guys should be basically done. And now you can X out, you can go into a game, and you guys are good to go. Now of course this will only be for this specific class. I don't think let's just say I had this class, let's just say I had, there's no cheap class that I can even buy, but let's just say I had, okay, I don't actually know what that, okay, no, I think that was just something else, but let's just say, oh, that just gave new classes, okay, never mind. But anyways, let's just say, I had another class. You would need to, I believe, re-roll it again for that specific class, or buy a talent again. I think this talent would stay only for this specific class. But other than that, that should be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.